I think he waited for the third cast this morning.
Good fish.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Oh yeah, he's good fish. Oh, yeah.
Woo!
It's a good start.
Yeah, absolutely. Can't
He's
go
gonna
wrong.
go 3-2.
Yeah.
Later, bro. What?
He's just a little guy. Woo!
Good smallmouth.
Yeah.
Hey.
Can't go wrong.
2.5.
Yeah. Woo! Just a parade of pigs up here.
Hey.
So thanks everybody, for watching. This was the Massacre at Lake Shannon 2025. Had a blast though, and thank Mr. Thornton for letting me come up and get destroyed and teaching me how to fish with some buzz baits. So hope you all have a good time, and we'll see you next time.